Bloody hell, man.
Fresh import straight from Abu Dhabi.
That's ridiculous.
With all the dust in the world on it. It sounds good, but...
My ears just fell off.
Yeah. Wait until someone comes and complains.
Oh yeah.
What's all that racket? Well, as you can tell, there's something wrong with my car. A couple of weeks ago, drove through a puddle that was probably
Yay high.
Fire was coming out the back of my car needed to set on fire. And yeah, my cat got blocked. So I had to chop it off. I got a replacement one. And I'm going to weld it
Thankfully, it was still worth a lot of money.
Yeah. £600, would you believe it?
I would. I just sold mine.
Yeah. It's full of platinum, I think, which is why they're worth so much money.
Rubidium as well.
Rubidium.
Rubidium, yeah.
Where's that on the periodic table? Here.
That bang
Yeah,
loud.
the car's, you can look how much.
Neglected.
Look at the handprint, mate.
Yeah, you never said a word, you didn't send me no letter. Don't think I could forgive you. See, our words slowly dying, I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
Dude, he's hotting out our spot so
We're gonna
hard.
get so in trouble.
You just did mad skids, mad loud.
It's the tyre marks that are the problem.
Get the scrubbing brush out. Go back to work.
No, it's another broken E36.
You're not alone.
Hello? Right, should we get in the air then?
Go on, mate. Let's get to it. You got something missing there, bro.
It's been pinched.
Hold up.
The first troublesome activity is going to be removing the exhaust from the manifold.
Oh, I've got to remove the exhaust from the manifold.
This is my replacement cap. I don't know whether it's going to work, but it did come off an E36, so...
Let's bolt it on.
Flangular fever, mate.
Got a flange. Gav, I'm trying to film
God.
video here, bro. He's sitting there. He's not even doing anything good. He's spinning.
Look.
You never heard of speed dry and paint?
Right, I'm at the truth. I mean, that could work, you know. Should we unbolt this back section and then actually offer it up properly?
Come over here, mate.
I can ask Jamie really kindly
Hello.
if I can weld my exhaust. I should probably try some welding myself.
I think that's what's going to happen, isn't it? You're about to weld.
Get some archive. It's got welder eyes.
It's got welding face.
Welder eyes.
But there's a cable ties on this thing here.
Lovely.
Yeah, can you see why? Look, it's my ingenious repair job.
I got one of them rubbers.
And as soon as it got the bolts all lubed up, ready for some serious soaking. What the hell are you doing wrestling with my tool cabinet, bro?
The tool cabinet's really good, man. Oh yeah.
No, you're gonna have to come this way.
Houston, we have a problem.
Put a pipe in there, then it will be there. Yeah.
Let me just chop it here. Where's your right hand is?
Flanging out over here. Alright, so this is the original one here.
Which
This
one?
is the one I bought. This is the original one, the rustiest one, obviously. I've got a slightly different setup, so might have to use a bit of this pipe on here. I think this needs extending slightly.
You're not liking that.
Need some more juice on it?
Need something.
It needs Jesus.
You need Jesus!
The anticipation here. Maybe it needs actually righty loosey.
I don't think the grinder's in there very well.
Super ratchet. Mate, the ratchet is unbelievable. Ah.
There she blows.
3, 2, 3. It's snowing!
Let's go.
So where are we chopping from?
Here.
Alright, cool. Ready for skiing lessons.
Swag lord. That wasn't totally done already. Smash. Smash.
Oh, that's pretty good, that. Yeah, it comes with the BMX as well, man.
Right, where we at, Captain Pugwash?
Alright, you just...
Why'd you got a
Nicely.
socket mark on your head? Yeah, I forgot.
Gonna take the exhaust from the manifold off again. Jam's gonna finish off welding it up,
What
put
do
it
you
back
mean?
on and see
You're
if it...
going to learn to weld.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Push, zap, zap, zap. Like a little leapfrog. sort
Going
of
away
jimmy.
from me.
Yeah.
I can't see it. What I'm doing.
Yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous, isn't it? Yeah, it's looking alright, mate.
I'm around the other side, sorry.
That's a weld.
Yeah, you never said a word. You didn't tell me no that I don't think I could forgive you. See, our words slowly dying. I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could forgive you. Yeah, you never said a word. You didn't tell me.
Loads of stuff has come out the exhaust. Fixed.
Probably give the car a little clean then. I reckon we should go hit some B roads in it.
Alright.
Because it's been probably about a month or so since I've driven it and
Needs to be
not done any
limited.
driving footage in a
Needs-
little while, so
Needs to be limited bashed, you mean?
yeah.
It needs it for the good health of this fine automotive vehicle. Needs to be absolutely abused.
me.